Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can back up photos and videos over on Android. So the process is going to be very simple. Just make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so you just need to require this Photos application, which is from Google, and the name of this application is Google Photos. And then you're gonna log in with your Google account from here. So right here you can see I have a video. What I will do here, you just need to select your specific video, click on this backup icon in the top right, and the video will back up. You can see it is uploading to our Google account, and here we are ready. Now I'm gonna go to my gallery, and from here I will delete this video from my gallery. Okay, so I'm gonna delete it from recently deleted. Alright, so we have done. Now what I will do here, I will go to my Google Photos, and right there you can see we still have the video in the photos. So you just need to open up the video, and now click on these three vertical dots in the top right. Here you will find a download button, so you just need to tap on that and the video will be downloaded again in your device. So guys, if you want to back up all of your files and if you want to recover them whenever you want, then what you need to do here, you just tap on your profile, and now here it will show you that keep your memory safe. So we have an option to turn on backup. You just need to tap on turn on backup, and all of your files will be backed up with original quality, and whenever you want you can recover that files. So this is the simplest way through which you can back up your photos and videos over on Android. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.